Chapter 7. Reproduction in Plants. We will learn about reproduction in plants, new plants from seeds, structure of a seed, germination of a seed, dispersal of seeds, new plants from other parts of the plant. Plants form a major part of our environment. We all depend on plants to survive. They help us in many ways. They give us food to eat, medicines to cure, oxygen to breathe, etc. So, we must grow more and more plants and should take care of them. Reproduction in plants. All living things need to reproduce so that their kind may not die out. The process of giving birth to young ones of their own kind is called reproduction. Plants reproduce in different ways. They reproduce from seeds and other body parts. Let us learn the process. New plants from seeds. Most of the plants grow from seeds. Flowers develop into fruits and the fruit contains seeds. Some fruits have only one seed. Others may have a few seeds or many seeds. Structure of a seed. Seeds of different plants are of different shapes and sizes. A seed has the following parts. 1. The hard outer covering of the seed is called the seed coat. It protects the seed. On this side of the seed, there is a scar. It is the place where seed is attached to the fruit. 2. Embryo is the baby plant. Seedlings grow from the embryo. 3. Inside the seed coat, cotyledons are found. These are seed leaves which protect baby plant or embryo. An embryo gets food stored in the seed leaves called cotyledons. Most of the seeds have 2 cotyledons. Knowledge hunter. Seeds like gram, pea and bean have 2 cotyledons and are called dicot seeds. Seeds like rice, maize and wheat have only 1 cotyledon and are called monocot seeds. Germination of a seed. When a seed gets enough water, air and sunlight, it grows into a new plant. The process by which a seed grows into a seedling is called the germination of seed. During germination, the seed absorbs water from the soil. The cells of the embryo start dividing and the embryo increases in size. As the seed grows bigger, its seed coat bursts open. A tiny root called radicle comes out and grows downwards. A tiny shoot called plumule grows upwards towards sunlight. The plumule grows into stem and leaves. The baby plant soon grows into an adult plant. Dispersal of seeds. The scattering of seeds away from the mother plant is known as dispersal of seeds. Plants cannot move from one place to place, so nature has developed ways to scatter their seeds. Seeds are dispersed by wind, water, birds, insects, and animals. They are called agents of dispersal. Dispersal of seeds is necessary for the better growth of plants because if all the seeds fall at one place, they would not get sufficient nutrients, water, sunlight, and space to grow. Dispersal by wind. Some seeds are light and have tufts of hair or wings around them. These seeds are blown away by the wind. Seeds like cotton, dandelion, and madder are dispersed by wind. Some more seeds like maple, hiptage, and sycamore have wings attached to them. The wind carries them to far-off places. Dispersal by water. There are some plants that grow in or near water. The seeds and fruits of such plants are carried away by water. The lotus fruit has a spongy part, while coconut has a thick fiber coat and is hollow from inside. These special parts enable them to float on water. The seeds fall into water and float on it for long distances. The seeds of water lily and hydrilla are also carried away by water. Dispersal by animals. Birds, animals, and human beings eat juicy and fleshy fruits like apple, mango, and watermelon and throw away their seeds. These seeds, on getting favorable conditions, grow into new plants. Seeds of plants like xanthium, speargrass, and tiger nail have hooks or spines. They stick to the hairy skin of animals or clothes of human beings and are carried away to far off places. There are some seeds eaten by birds and animals. They do not get digested or destroyed. They come out unharmed in their droppings. Knowledge hunter. Squirrels bury nuts to eat during winter, and they often forget these nuts may grow into new plants. Dispersal by explosion. Some fruits burst open or explode when they become dry. The force of explosion helps the seeds to scatter away. Plants like balsam, geranium, pea and castor scatter their seeds through bursting of their pods. New plants from other parts of the plant. Plants can also reproduce from their body parts such as the root, leaf or stem. The method of growing new plants from the leaves, stems and roots of the mother plant is called vegetative propagation. New plants from roots. Roots of some plants such as carrot, radish, turnip and sweet potato can produce new plants. Explore. Take a sweet potato and insert toothpicks in it on all its sides. Take a glass filled with water and place the sweet potato on the mouth of the glass in such a way that its lower part remains immersed in water. Put the glass at such a place where proper sunlight and air is available. After a few days, roots come out of the sweet potato. Soon a small baby plant grows out of it. This activity proves that the root of a plant produces a young plant. Other plants like dahlia and asparagus also reproduce through their root. New plants from underground stems. Underground stems like potato, ginger and onion can grow into new plants. Food is stored in these stems. Explore. 1. Take a potato or a ginger which has eyes on it. Put it in a place where sunlight and air are available. In suitable conditions, each eye grows into a bud. Plant these buds in the soil. A new plant grows from the bud. 2. Take an onion and plant it in the soil. New plant of onion grows from the bulb. Potato eye, bud, new plant of potato, baby plant. Knowledge hunter. The underground stem of ginger is called rhizome.